Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to pair and connect your mobile phone with your PC using Bluetooth and how to transfer files from your mobile phone to your PC and the other way around. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this one. Let's get on with the pairing procedure. What you need to do is click on the notification panel here and then look for the option called Bluetooth. Right click on it and then go to Settings. You will see here all of the devices you have on your computer right now. First of all, what we need to do is to turn on Bluetooth. Hopefully this works. I hope you have a Bluetooth connector on your computer. If you have, it will say that your PC is now discoverable as whatever name your PC has. Then moving on to our phone here, you bring down the options, you look for the Bluetooth one, just click on it and keep holding the Bluetooth button and it should present to you the list of devices you already have connected with your phone. All the way to the bottom you should see the available devices list and there you should see your computer. Just click on it and it will start automatically to pair. During the pairing process you will get a notification both on your phone as well as on your computer. We just say OK on both devices, yes, OK. Connection succeeded and now your phone is paired with your computer. As soon as the pairing process is finished, you should see your PC in the list of paired devices, while on the computer you should see your mobile phone. In case you're having issues with the pairing of your mobile phone, just try to remove the device and start all over again. Now that the pairing is finished, let's move on to the second part of the video where we want to transfer files from the phone to the PC and from the PC back to the phone. Go all the way to the top. We need to look for send or receive files via Bluetooth. Just click on this button. It will ask you what you want to do. Do you want to send files from the computer or do you want to receive files onto the computer? So let's send some files. We want to send it to our mobile phone. Just browse for the files you want to send. Let's say we take this Excel file. Next. As soon as we start the sending process, you will see a hint on your mobile phone which you need to accept. And then the file is being received and downloaded. Now let's try to do it the other way around, sending this file back to the computer. First thing we need to do is go again to the send or receive files via Bluetooth. Somehow it pops up in the back. Then select receive files. Now the computer is ready waiting for files to be transferred from your mobile phone. In my case, I'm opening my files just to look for it. I go to the downloads because I just downloaded. And here I have the option share this file. I want to share this. And here I just choose the Bluetooth. It will ask me where to send this file to. Just select your desktop. As soon as you do so, you will see the file arriving on your computer. It will ask you where to save this file. You just click on finish or browse if you want another folder. And there it is. You have your file onto your computer. So this is it, guys. Hope this was useful for you. And if it was, just drop a like and subscribe for more interesting content. Thank you.